Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video we are going to see how to crochet this cute butterfly applique. You can use these appliques in a baby blankets, or you can glue these appliques in a Tik Tak hair clip to convert them into a hair accessory. The link for this butterfly applique is in the description in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So today we are going to crochet this cute butterfly applique. The pattern is really simple, and you just need some scrap yarn. I'm going to use this cotton sprout yarn from Premier Yarns. This is really soft, and I'm going to use 2.5mm crochet hook for this project, and I'll need scissors, and we'll also need some big white bead which will be sewing in this applique. First we'll work a magic ring and then work chain 4. Once you have worked chain 4, I'm going to work 3 triple crochet on the magic ring. Once we have worked 3 triple crochets, I'm going to work chain 4 again and then work a slip stitch on the magic ring. And once we have worked the slip stitch, go ahead, work 2 chains and then work 3 double crochets on the magic ring. Once we have worked 3 double crochets, go ahead, work chain 3 and then work a slip stitch again in the magic ring. Now once again work 3 chains and 3 double crochet on the magic ring. Now work 2 chains and then work a slip stitch again on the magic ring. Work 2 chains and work a slip stitch on the magic ring. And once you have worked the slip stitch, go ahead, work 4 chains and work 3 triple crochet on the magic ring again. Now once you have done working 3 triple crochet, I'm going to once again work 4 chains and then I will work my final slip stitch on the magic ring. And now I will tighten the magic ring. You should see the beautiful butterfly that we just made. Just secure the both ends with the knot and then cut them in such a way that these both ends will be like the antenna of the butterfly. here it is, our cute little butterfly is done in just few minutes, less than 5 minutes maybe. It's such a cute and simple pattern. You can make many projects with this butterfly. You can sew them in your bags, you can sew them in your hats, you can sew them in a baby blanket. Now I'm gonna make this cute applique into a hair accessory. I'm gonna first add some pearl to it. I will be sewing in some big pearl to this butterfly. So here I have made many of these butterflies in different colors. They all look so pretty. And now I'm gonna sew a white bead in the center with the sewing needle. And once that is done, we can attach this applique to a Tik Tak hair clip with the glue gun. I'm gonna use hot glue gun here to attach these appliques to the hair clips. And this is a wonderful quick gift idea for kids. So I'm gonna use these clips and add in some hot glue and attach these appliques to this hair clips. That's it. Our cute little butterfly hair clip is now ready. This is a wonderful gift idea for little girls, and this can be made in no time. I hope you enjoyed this butterfly applique tutorial with me. Try this at home and let me know your comments. If you want a written pattern of this applique, it's available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. The link is in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.